guess we can put this side back in. While we're waiting. Where is it? Oh, that goes in right there. That drops in there. That's the wrong side. Oh, nice. That's broken. Yes, that is the other side. Now we just need a filter. CUK 3139. Missing. Airflow goes down. So technically, airflow goes up into we want to put this here, airflow, going to be going through this into this sealed area into the cabin. Just like that. We pop the bail over. Done. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Except I want to leave that exposed for now. We've got that one done. See the other one. This actually has dual climate. So there's two air intake paths going to the heater core and the evaporator, which are right in the middle. The new AC line in, so I need to pop it off. It's the front one here, or the one on the outside, and I believe that is a 7. I believe that is a 7. It is a 6. Well, let's try this. This is a loose bit. See if I can find something better to hold this with. Alright, let's try this. Come on, get up. Alright, got it. Get the screw out. Come on, pop up. I know they're not together. Get you something kind of tight. You know what? I'm gonna see if I can pop this high side line off. And if I can, I should be able to pull the condenser out. Alright, I'm going to spray some, I think, Freon on the outside and see if maybe it will creep under and release those O-rings. I'll let that sit for a minute and then we'll try to break them loose. See if I can find something to push this and hold this back a little bit. How about the Run RDC? There we go. I should be able to get a screwdriver under that now. Come on. Okay. You can stay right there then. It's dead. There we go. Keep in mind that this is the bolt side, not the line side. I just want to get it in there so I can wiggle it. Break that seal loose. The thing will freaking stay out. Come on. Wiggle, wiggle. It's coming loose. Bit by bit. There it goes. Now it's out. There's an alignment peg right there. We need to clean that really good. So if we can't free this one off. Lovely. Yeah. Don't need UV dye to find that. Make sure that's nice and clean. And go ahead and put that screw back in. You can see how it's starting to gall. See the galvanic corrosion on it. You just want it down in the threads. The new line here. Take these caps off. Compressor side. Rubber to the little short line goes to the condenser. Down under the other line, up and around, and down to the compressor. And that's going to go under and up to fit in. After we get it lined up on the little peg there. Let's get this one like that. anti-seize. That can pop back down into place. Ah, you suck. Did it again. Have to get it out of the underskirt later. Need to make sure there's a gap between the lines there. And it looks like, yep, that was supposed to go over. That should get snapped right there. We have the other line. The compressor, we'll pop that in. Snug and snug. Alright, that should be it for the AC. Now we need to get the nitrogen out again, set up the gauges, and we need to pressure test the setup again.